It's a vlog right now. We're on the train at Grand Central Station. Everything good. You good, Sean? Great. Good. I'm not telling you what's going on Grand Central Station. We'll find out in due season. So, like a plan? Oh. Alright, so vlog right now. We're in a Grand Central Station. The big shot. The vlog right now. Then I sit here and think, what is it? We're about to rent a bicycle and go do it because we come too early. So yeah, we're there at Billbock. I'm about to go walk.
Stand up in a big dance, rolling weed in my hands. One more time before I go. Girl, just whine and go down low. Hey, hey, stand up in a big dance, rolling weed.
Then I will just reach your destination, I think. Just come off the bus. Yeah, over there. It's not that cold out here. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Not like. Lighter! Girl, we reach. Hola, Mala.
Hi.
Yeah, look, chaka.
I'm trying to fix the light, but it's not working.
She having a bad hair there, don't watch her face. And Shakiva there, that's a Shakiva, walk on. You guys say hi? I'm shy. We have a couple people in our family very shy, you know the way they. But yeah, we are linking the back. Look more on the shh, on the can't tell, on the can't say nothing yet, you know. Don't say a word. So vlog, we just left after how long? How she look at? Running our family. Hot so Atina. Could have come mother. Atina. Sir. Alright, I'm a consume piece of bun. I don't know what things said. Alright, so vlog. After minutes of waiting. So this is other actors that come. I couldn't step out actors. Yeah, sir, all of that. I think it's a family sickness, running our family. Thing shot.
In my hands, one more time before I go. Girl, just whine and go down low. Hey, hey.
Baby, I like your style.
Hey, yo, girl, I got the wine what I want. You got the body and the style what I want. One night and a dance what I want. Give you all the loving and the vibes what you want. Pretty face, body sexy and your skin clean. Love the little boy thing, join the big team. Make the money, see you good, live the big dream. Buy a nice house, on the hill and on the big scheme. Stand up in a big dance, rolling weed in my hands. One more time before I go. Girl, just whine and go down low. Hey, hey, stand up in a big dance.
Hi, Sasha.
Oh, you really have to stand right
Time before I go. Girl, just whine and go down low. Hey, hey.
Auntie, cousin.
I know you're sad like a rock and you are concrete. But you're not free. Me, yes, you are free. I know you think you're running up in your meat. Every night you're gonna show and watch go wow. You get it fun, I don't stop at chow chow. Because you never know, me and the yo-yo. You want to think you're gonna touch the house now. No one has to know your daddy got it trend. Ease up, breeze up. You just get the book now, they are
Wait, no, if I want somebody to say something, no? Someone talk. Talk, someone. Go on, someone. Someone. Wait, you want to guys?
Bring the microphone. No mic easy. Why are you no mic easy? No mic. No mic. Microphone. The only thing is general. Yes, sir. No mic business. The microphone is. I will not talk about that. But as you were saying before, the general must have Samuel Junior. We have to give you honor. Because we don't forget nothing. We have general, you know? Rich. We know what's it. life. Some know so we are like from before we come so we are like I'm from there. Alright, guess what I say now? Anything I say now, I'll be anybody can go say. I say that guy there with that talk and sound, but guess what? I'm going to listen for the next 5 or 10 years because you know what I say. Maybe I always see that, but I'm going to make him say, and you must say. Some, you know, so that boy, they would come here thing and that talk and they jump now. So we can say anything. No, I forget. Nothing, man. Nothing. I remember the days when we come from work and never have nothing to eat and other shopmates and some general out there. They say, yo, irresponsibility. So we say, yo, generally we are give them anything they want. Give them food. Anything, sir. I remember the days. Alright, we get all this among some no and some no can know. Generally, we are love of that thing and Romeo, Chance, everybody. Nice. Akeem, where Akeem? Nice. Rich. Respect. Clearing them, we said. Bush. Never come from Jamaica but carry that. Skinner is only that enough.
Make him know. Make them know. The only dad in Jamaica.
Skinner is only done in Jamaica.
Alright.
One carrying that.
Alright.
No.
Not really. We're not loading.
Innings. A father who?
Don't say another word.
Loaded thing. You know what thing there? Alright.
Rich.
Here.
Real.
My son, that. My son?
What do you want to say, son?
No, they have on the glass.
Always big up to Sam, the uncle, always there, never leave him.
When he come here, he must be there. And the glass.
Alright, sir.
Jerry plug it in, say we are brother and sister and a baby, say a female. Rich. Anybody else? Maurice. Anybody else?
It's my turn now.
Big up. Alright.
Big up to the Claridonian devil and the place. Straight. Because you are not that's where the talent come from, right? Alright. Run the rhythm for me.
Anything you want, acapella already. So we say. Anything you say, Allah. Most artists.
There's a hero when you look inside your heart.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Hey, Me there till one day, I part with a white man will come all the way from the way. And him turn to me and say, how come Jamaica full of so much screw face? Same time I lift your head to the sky, and I tears just fall from my eye. Me say my youth will go alright, let me show you how me cry. Look at the body do you see anything this bad? Look at that ugly child, look at the fool when the youth don't go forget the medication. Do you see anything this bad? Yeah.
Money full up.
Oh, lifting to everything nice, so we full of everything, This is what's really to the mountain, I get to that's the real thing, yeah. Me there till one day, I bar with a white man will come all the way from the way. And him turn to me and say, how come Jamaica full of so much true face? Same time I lift my head to the sky, and I tear just fall from my eye. Me say why you going for a time when me saw you want me cry. Yo, it was about 12 o'clock when the thunder started stopping at the back of here we are. The lightning start flashing, me hear the gunshot and I me bed for me belly. Here was a scream from the next door neighbor Hamad. Don't kill me one son, but we still hear the gun. We could wait till morning come. Whoa, never last my way. Never turn foot when we reach at the crossroad. Never last my way. Never see the hype and get confused. Never last my way. Never turn foot when we reach at the crossroad. Never last my way. Never see the hype and get confused. We love the element of surprise. The finish type of finish and survive, over the mountains and lift my voice. Angels on my eyes, yo. You know I never hide it. Light up another bit. When me sing, me not operate. And I'm on the contact this year. Never last my way. Never turn fool from a reach at the crossroad. Never last my way. Never see the hype and get confused. Never last my way. Never turn fool when we reach at the crossroad. Never last my way. Never see the hype and get confused. No, I'm not afraid. No, no, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Don't let that go, 'cause I'm protected by the Most High.
Happy birthday, dear Samuel. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
Wishing you nothing but the best, long life and prosperity. Shireen, you don't know, you don't miss one. Alright?
one way up there, so. The one last one up there, so. Chicky.
Sambo. Oh God.
Diana? Diana can't die, no? That can't die.
No real life.
You see? Yeah.
Tell them on there.
Nah.
But let's stay and chill.
Like that.
My uncle on a Sunday, you know them here.
Yeah, man.
The road right there now. Everything to say?
Yeah. It's all good, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's an easy bug. Cool,
Yep.
son.
Very cold, man. It's a very cold day. Definitely.
Oh yeah, vlog. Is that some?
But don't like him all once.
Alright, so vlog. We're leaving right now.
Okay, bye guys. Miss you. Warm weather. You loving it? Yeah. Welcome to Canada. Icebox. That's where we live. So when we come back to Jamaica, only the beautiful things. Them. We have to share and coal and hello and cash and the power of the airport and don't cold.
Alright. There's some action upload this, right? Later. Ma. You know? Bye. See you.